Okay, welcome back.
All right, we got another one right here, and this is
Super Great Diecast.
That's what I could super state in your. Okay, so just so we don't.
There's
have to
only one word
that would match that. You know, I don't like you bleep them out again. So there we go. And we are
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
That we is. All right, let's bust this puppy open.
Okay, so yeah, I got the box. I didn't even know what it was. Because they don't send notice that it's coming.
Yeah.
So I was like, "Ooh, different."
So it's a for real surprise pack.
It was, and it also was from a different mailing address that it's ever come from.
Oh.
So I didn't know what it was, so I cut it open.
Somebody's house.
But I put everything back as soon as I saw that it had stuff in it. So, or diecast stuff in it. So
this is always cool.
Let's pull these out. So first up, we've got some green lights.
Oh, a Bronco.
Yeah, that is a sweet car. That is sweet. And the second one is Jeep. It's anniversary edition though.
Wow.
Down in front of the other camera. Okay. And the star of this show. Let's get some of this.
Please don't tell me it's the Cheetos.
The star. No, the star is not the Cheetos.
Yeah.
The star is in the bag. Let's move these. That's still in the shot. Okay. I'm gonna cut it because I don't want to screw it up. Because
ooh,
yeah, I knew you'd like that. How's that? This is out of 2,000 pieces.
2,000 pieces.
Yeah. It's a camper.
I've never. What year is that?
This is a 59 double cab.
Wow, I didn't even know they made that.
So this is the VW pickup with a camper over the bed. Nice. I've never seen these in real life, but
yeah, I've never seen that in real life.
Sure.
And I've been around for at least 75 years, so you know.
So that is the set. Let's put these back in the shot.
Are those two numbered? Is the two green lights numbered?
Green lights. Let's see. I do not see a number on them.
Okay.
No, I do.
Well, the last couple you kept getting Mijos.
Yeah. Bronco. This is nice though. This Bronco.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is Super Great Diecast. I believe this is 4 of 12.
4 of 12. Okay, yeah. Well, you know, at least we look forward to the next. What is that? 6,
7 more.
7? Yeah, 7. See, we don't know how to count over here. All right, people. So you know what you're gonna do? Hit us the comments, like us, subscribe, and we will like you back, bro. Yeah. But we are
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Thanks for watching. Get in. Oh wait, get in.